how to fix Roblox error code 524. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can fix Roblox error code 524. Now this kind of error usually occurs because of your privacy settings. So for that, you'll need to first of all check your internet connection, open up a web browser, and then log into your Roblox account. So type roblox.com on the search bar. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, while you're on this page, go to your grabber icon from the right hand side corner, go to profile from the left hand side, and then go to profile. Now once you're logged into your account, tap on the gear icon from the top right, click on settings from the drop down menu. This is gonna direct you to the Roblox My Settings page, and then go to privacy. Once you tap on the privacy button, make sure that your account restrictions are disabled, and also scroll down a bit. In this particular two different options are the ones that's actually stopping you from playing the game or logging into your Roblox account. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can just try making changes with this following settings. You can just go ahead and tap on friend, user, I follow, and my followers. After that, you can also use who can text you within the app. You can also select either one of it, and you can also select who can text chat with me, and just select accordingly. Once you've done that, make sure to save the changes. After that, exit out of your Roblox account and log in into your Roblox account once again. That's gonna fix your 5.2 error code on Roblox. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.